I found you today for an easy Rococo hair tutorial. 10 months ago I already uploaded a tutorial on 18th century's hair and I wanted to recreate the hair I wore at the Versailles visit I've done. But during that tutorial I somehow ended up doing my hair in a different way that I've done for this visit, and in a way I didn't really like. So today, almost 1 year after, I am finally showing you how I do my hair anytime I want a Renaissance feeling, like my 18th century inspired hair, the right technique, not the one I abandoned. The one I showed in the first tutorial is a technique I don't do anymore. So today I'm finally showing you the right one. Once this is uploaded, you'll finally have the right tutorial and I will finally be at peace with myself and my hair tutorials, because I needed to do this one for a long time. Also, don't mind my strictly inaccurate hair for this one and the fact that they were very badly painted. My hair tutorial will never be perfect, what can I say? I started last evening by putting my hair in rollers. It's something I usually do for my 50s hair, but I didn't use foam for this tutorial, I just did it on my wet hair. How did I roll my hair? So I just wash my hair or just wet them. I put the roller at the end, I do this, I roll the hand and then I roll the rest towards my scalp like this, and I do this, I close and I slip on them. So this is how I roll my rollers, and I'm going to take them all off because it's easier to do a hairdo with curly hair. The reason why I didn't put foam in my hair and I just put water for the rollers is because it gives less structured curls and it's easier to work with to do hairdo. I'm gonna start by doing a messy bun at the top of my head, not taking all my hair, just taking like a small circle at the top of my head, and I'm leaving some pieces at the front. So I just drew a ponytail at the top of my head and I'm going to just put bobby pins to make a messy bun. The messy bun will be the base of the hairstyle, and then I take hair pieces can brush it gently and I'm just going to twist it. And attach it to the messy bun. So we have this that is left, of course, but I'm just twisting the piece of hair and attaching it to the messy bun, and I repeat this step with every piece of hair around my face. I'm just leaving one piece of hair at the back of my neck like they used to, like one curl falling on your back or your shoulder. And all the rest is attached. I'm also not telling that it's the historical accurate way to do it, it's probably not, but I don't know how to do it like historically accurate. I don't know how to do these kind of hair that are appearing on the screen. I wish I was. This one is a bit more like Marie Antoinette hair in the movie Marie Antoinette when she's in a cottage. It's more of a messy bun and messy curls hair. It's not really like the very structured and like the very pretty rolls that they have in their hair, and it's more when Marie Antoinette in the movie has her own hair and not wigs. Then with the rest of the curls that you brought up, we just take them and place them around the messy bun, and it's just like a little structure that you do. So you just, you know, attached everything with bobby pins. I almost forgot the two little sections at the front. How could I? So I'm just doing the same thing. They're just very smaller. They're just smaller because they are part of my bangs. I'm also keeping my little fringe here because I don't like myself without it, but it is not strictly accurate. They didn't have bangs back like at that moment in history. It's just creative liberty from my hand because I'm so used to seeing myself with bangs that me without it, I don't really like that. But it's a bit small, and if I had the courage I will do it again with a curling iron so they will be bigger, but I don't have that right now. So I'm just going to, you could stop here, like build you messy bun a bit better and stop here, or you could add some decorations, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some little flowers in it, some fake ones. You can add real ones, you can do whatever you want, and you either just have flowers with a little metal stuff that you can bend like this. I'm going to take a bobby pin, wrap it around, wrap the little metal thing around the bobby pin, and I'm gonna use this bobby pin to structure my messy bun a bit more at the front. And it has a little flower attached. I have pink and white ones, so I'm just going to do that. If you want to add hairspray, I will recommend do it before you accessorize your hair, otherwise you're gonna ruin the flowers. I have no idea what it looks like at the back. If it looks bad, I don't really care because I can't see my back. And voila, you have a pretty easy to do Rococo 18th century hairstyle, and you're ready to visit a French castle and pretend that you own the place. It's what I do when I visit one anyway. And if you enjoy Renaissance fashion, I really recommend you to visit my Etsy shop, where you can buy this angelique chemise that is the iconic product of the shop, or over corsets and garments that are inspired by the Renaissance fashion. The link will be in the description.